Welcome to an exploration of what makes Terraform cool. Let's embark on a journey into the world of Terraform, where modern infrastructure management meets the power of code. Terraform, a revolutionary infrastructure as code (IAC) tool, is reshaping the way we oversee, create, and evolve our digital infrastructure. With Terraform, you're not just managing servers, you're orchestrating an entire ecosystem, from networks to databases, in a language that speaks efficiency and scalability. Join us as we explore the profound impact of Terraform on the cloud landscape, unlocking possibilities that were once dreams and now a reality. Infrastructure as code, IAC. At the heart of Terraform lies the powerful concept of infrastructure as code, often referred to as IAC. With IAC, Terraform allows you to define your infrastructure using code. It's a paradigm shift that transforms the management of servers, networks, and services into a developer-friendly practice. This means you can script your infrastructure just like any software application, specifying every component, configuration, and dependency in code. The beauty of IAC is that it ensures consistency and repeatability. You're not relying on manual setups prone to errors. Instead, you define your desired infrastructure in code, and Terraform takes care of the rest. Changes become as simple as code modifications, making updates and scaling a breeze. This not only saves time but also enhances the traceability and auditability of your infrastructure. Furthermore, it encourages collaboration between development and operations teams, fostering a culture of automation and efficiency. In the world of Terraform, infrastructure as code is the foundation of a more agile, scalable, and error-resistant infrastructure management. Multi-cloud and vendor-agnostic. Terraform's strength lies in its multi-cloud and vendor-agnostic capabilities. Cloud-native, multi-cloud or rather cloud-agnostic, it's your passport to a world of cloud possibilities, allowing you to navigate across different cloud providers with ease. The multi-cloud feature means that you're not tied to a single provider. Terraform lets you design and deploy infrastructure that spans AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and others. Terraform's extensibility allows users to create their own providers or leverage community-developed providers, enabling support for custom or niche cloud platforms. The Terraform community often develops and shares modules that abstract the complexity of managing resources across different providers. These modules can be reused across various cloud environments. This flexibility is invaluable in today's dynamic landscape. You can choose the best cloud resources for your specific needs, ensuring cost efficiency and performance. But one of Terraform's most significant benefits is avoiding vendor lock-in. With vendor-agnostic infrastructure, you're in control. You can pivot to a different provider or blend services from various clouds without major disruptions. Imagine a scenario where your business needs evolve, or you find better services from another provider. Terraform makes it possible to transition seamlessly. This versatility is invaluable for businesses with diverse workloads, compliance requirements, or global operations. For instance, companies with international operations can use Terraform to distribute workloads among cloud providers to ensure low latency and regulatory compliance. In a world where change is the only constant, Terraform's multi-cloud and vendor-agnostic capabilities offer the agility and adaptability needed to thrive. Automation and version control. Automation and version control are the backbone of Terraform, empowering you with capabilities beyond imagination. With Terraform, you can orchestrate complex infrastructure operations through automation. This means you can scale your infrastructure up or down based on demand, schedule backups, and handle routine tasks with ease. The result is efficiency and reliability. Tasks that once consumed valuable time and resources can now run automatically, freeing your team to focus on innovation. But it doesn't stop there. Terraform also offers robust version control capabilities. You can track changes in your infrastructure configurations just like you would with software code. This means you have a historical record of every change, which can be critical for troubleshooting and ensuring the stability of your infrastructure. Benefits of automation and version control. The benefits are clear. Automation streamlines operations and enhances your team's productivity. Version control ensures accountability and helps you understand the state of your infrastructure at any point in time. Imagine an environment where your infrastructure evolves alongside your software applications, all while being meticulously tracked and controlled. In the real world, this translates into faster, more reliable development and deployment. Companies across various industries use Terraform to automate routine tasks, roll out updates seamlessly, and ensure the stability of their infrastructure. In a world driven by technology, Terraform's automation and version control features are your strategic advantage, ensuring that your infrastructure remains agile and adaptable. Scalability and efficiency. The ability to scale resources efficiently is where Terraform truly shines. In today's dynamic business environment, scalability and efficiency are paramount. Imagine your business experiences rapid growth. Traditional infrastructure management might pose challenges as your business expands. With Terraform, you can efficiently scale your infrastructure to meet changing demands. This means you can dynamically allocate or deallocate resources, ensuring you pay only for what you use. Cost optimization is a tangible benefit. By scaling resources as needed, you can reduce infrastructure costs while maintaining performance. Terraform's automation features simplify load balancing implementation, traffic distribution, and ensure unwavering high availability. In real-world scenarios, companies use Terraform's scalability and efficiency for various applications. E-commerce businesses handle holiday shopping peaks with ease. Financial institutions meet fluctuating trading demands, and streaming services scale to accommodate millions of viewers. Scalability and efficiency are the cornerstones of a resilient and responsive infrastructure. Terraform's capabilities empower businesses to meet these demands and more, ensuring they remain agile and cost-effective. Now, let's delve into real-world applications and the substantial benefits that Terraform brings to different industries. Terraform's versatility extends across various sectors, revolutionizing infrastructure management. In the realm of cloud-native startups, Terraform empowers them to scale swiftly, ensuring their applications remain responsive and cost-effective. In the highly regulated financial services industry, Terraform facilitates compliance and security while enabling rapid, secure deployments. Healthcare institutions leverage Terraform to ensure data security, compliance, and scalability, ultimately saving lives through efficient IT operations. E-commerce giants depend on Terraform to handle peak shopping seasons with ease, ensuring a seamless shopping experience for customers. Entertainment and streaming services, such as Netflix, benefit from Terraform's capacity to scale infrastructure to meet the demands of millions of viewers worldwide. Terraform's real-world applications are as diverse as the industries it serves. With Terraform, the path to infrastructure excellence is within reach. In conclusion, Terraform is cool because it empowers you to define, provision, and manage infrastructure efficiently. With Terraform, you're in control, no matter the cloud provider. Thank you for exploring the cool world of Terraform with us. Don't forget to enable notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.